It has been one hell of a morning. There was like a whole roofer debacle. It was just like a giant time suck. All this to say, I realized I started the vlog, but I didn't introduce myself. So hi, hello, welcome. I'm Ashley, and I kind of just started these vlogs to follow one, our home renovation progress and all those projects that we've taken on, but two, I'm a freelancer. I own my own business, and I mainly do business ops, marketing for authors, for small businesses, that sort of thing. And so my day-to-day just looks a little bit different. I'm also a stay-at-home puppy mom to Linus, who's just looking at me because it's almost dinner time, and I'm sure I'll be interrupted here shortly. But I just wanted to introduce myself. I guess I should probably tell you who I am, where you can find me, all that jazz. But I'm gonna get started on dinner here soon. We're gonna do from Defined Dish chicken fajita lettuce cups. They look good. I'm here for it. Do I sound excited? I don't feel excited. Also, I feel like it's gonna be way too much chicken. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Started coughing. I went to the vet. And they also put you on a steroid because they said they looked at your lungs and you got a little bit of bronchitis and pneumonia. I'm currently this virus that's going around seriously, and don't worry, and I take him outside in the pet stroller round of antibiotic. The face. My oh shit alarm. That means it's 8 o'clock. Logically, the less stuff you have to mix it all up. That also has a cost. Adorable. The antibiotic is given to use outside, by the way. I was just going this morning. If you can, stop eating fast food. It makes and it relieves. But too fast food.
28. I think it might be my dinner. I don't want anything from that. I got to the last page that I was provided, and it says page 2 of 4. So I don't have a 3 of 4 or 4 of 4. Got it. Just so you're aware, the website that is on the front, when you type it in word for word, it says not found. Yep. You too. So I called to ask, this is the angle of all angles. I called to ask, let me clarify this. You heard part of that. Because the county that I am in requires a personal property instructions for new businesses. I have a new business. That is fine. There's a form that they send, and it says page 1, page 2. Great. I get to the last page of the form, and it says page 2 of 4. So I go to this, we can call it a brochure. I'm not even going to share it. We can call it a brochure. It is a double-sided piece of yellow paper that has been copied so many times. It has like, let me see. This doesn't have any information on it. Okay, but it's like bled. It doesn't even make any sense. But to make matters worse, on the front of it, it literally has a web address that goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. Look how cute these manatee stamps are. But I don't think taxes are deserving of cute manatee stamps. So they're getting a leftover Christmas one. Yeah, suck it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit irritated. There was supposed to be a call at 9. Actually, let's start from the very beginning. Let's get the hair out of my mouth. That's what I get for blow drying it. This call was supposed to be this morning. It was supposed to be at 11 a.m. their time. They're in Central, and 9 a.m. my time. Totally fine. I had RSVP'd. They'd even sent out a reminder email 15 minutes before, like, don't forget, call coming up, sign on, nothing. Then I like go to the community page just to like, any updates, like what's going on. I rearrange things so I can be there, I guess. And now we're just waiting for the host to start the meeting. I'm not adding to the chat conversation. I just feel like that's more than we needed. Okay, so I guess we just do some work in the background, I guess. So I guess you'll work with me. There's so much going on in this office right now. Maybe we'll change your angle. It's been almost 15 minutes. I feel the need to give up on this call. You're currently sitting in a cupboard, but we're gonna do a little dinner action from the Defined Dish Cookbook. We're doing the Enchiladas con Carne. Like, does he hear himself? He's like, God damn it.
He's like, I learned the Arab.
It is many hours later. I should be getting back to working. I went to lunch. I've just been looking at fonts and considering changing up my branding, which is really just my hobby. Just changing branding, which makes it hard when you're trying to establish a brand. I was gonna make this box cake, because why not? I think it could be fun. But it expired in October of 2024. It's not October. It's not even 2024. But I really just want a yellow cake. I don't know why. I've never been drawn to it before. But it just sounds good. With like a chocolate cream cheese frosting. Is that a thing? I think it should be. Don't know why, but that's what I want. Like, what makes it yellow? You know what? We're gonna make one from scratch. Sorry, funfetti cake. You're done. I also don't need to serve 12 people. And we're gonna print it for 12 and we'll just half it. It's fine. If this recipe's good, I'll link it below. You know what? Close enough. I'm sure it'll be delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Say thanks for hanging out with me. Am I just leaving doors open? Yes, yes I am. This has been an interesting week. Uneventful, but interesting nonetheless. I think tomorrow we're gonna get up to some house projects, so I'll be sure to pick up the camera then. Bye guys, thanks for hanging out.